Hi everyone, I'm Paula Romero from La Bella Pasta. Welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna make pan roasted pork chops. Every time we go to this local restaurant here near my house, I always order the same thing. So I came back one day saying, I would like to create my version of that dish that I like so much. And this is it. Pan roasted pork chops with roasted veggies. Check this out. So I'm making here, I'm gonna start preparing the ingredients for the seasonings, for the marinade. I have some fresh rosemary. I'm gonna use garlic paste. If you don't have garlic paste, you can use minced garlic, salt and pepper, olive oil, and lemon zest. I'm gonna use my hands to massage all the pork chops here. This is a very simple marinade, but the combination of flavors is very, very good. We're gonna let this marinate for about 1 hour. You can leave it up to 4 hours. Just remember to take it out of the fridge about 20 minutes before you start cooking the pork chops. Pork chops have been marinating for about an hour, and now we're gonna start searing on a non-stick skillet with a drizzle of olive oil. We're gonna start in a stove top and we're gonna finish in the oven at 400 degrees. We're gonna cook the chops for about 4 to 5 minutes until it gets brown in one side. Then turn the chops, cook for 2 more minutes, and add some veggies of your choice. I have here some bell peppers, orange, yellow, and red, and also some red onions. Smells so good. I'm gonna add some salt to the veggies. Add some butter, just a little bit, to create some juice at the bottom of the pan. Next, it goes in the oven. We're gonna roast the pork chops for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's no longer pink in the center. Just to make sure, you can insert a thermometer until the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees. 10 minutes. Let's check the internal temperature. It's almost. You can also turn the veggies to make sure that they caramelize on both sides. Onions are very delicate, so if they fall apart, that's okay. Just a few more minutes in the oven and it's ready. So I think it's ready now. Oh gosh, the smell definitely is ready. To finish this up, I'm going to add just another dollop of butter to create a nice sauce at the bottom. And some lemon juice. Veggies are soft. Pork chops cooked. This is it. Ready to serve. So let's see how this looks inside. Some veggies. Obviously, the sauce. Very, very close to the one that I have in the restaurant. So I'm happy with this. So I hope you liked the video. I hope you make it. Please don't forget to follow us on our social media. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. Don't forget to hit the notification button so you know when we post something new. Thank you so much. See you next time.